Telog Enterprise Web Module provides a simple means of sharing data with tens, hundreds, or thousands of users. To view the data, all you need is a web browser and the correct username and password. All the data are stored in a SQL Server database. Trend data are stored in folders called sites. Typically, sites are locations where Telog RTUs are installed. In addition to site data, there are system-level reports. These reports provide key information for maintaining the system as a whole. Within each site, 3 data types are stored. This particular site contains trend data for Telog RU33. Other types of data files can be stored in the Documents folder. For example, here's a PDF describing this Creek site. We use PDFs as a convenient way of sharing interesting facts about a site. But this file could just as easily be a maintenance log or an in-pipe video file. To view trend data, click on a site's name to see your choices. Then select which measurements you want to view. The time span drop-down list displays several preset time periods. Choose Custom if you want to enter a time span that's not on the list. Then click OK to see your data. The tabular data below the graph is synchronized with the cursor. The text in bold matches the current cursor position. To zoom, click and drag to the right. This is a 2-dimensional zoom, and it can zoom both horizontally and vertically. Click once on the graph to freeze the graph cursor. The checkbox next to each measurement toggles that measurement's display. As you can see, with the temp data hidden, it's easier to focus on just the rain and its impact on the creek level. If you want to unzoom, click and drag the cursor to the left. To view the temp data again, just recheck the box. VCR-style controls enable quick movement through the data. Because the time span displayed is 1 month, clicking the back arrow will jump the data back by 1 month. Also with these buttons, in one click you can jump to the beginning or end of the data. The Telog Web Module gives you the option to export data to Excel or other third-party applications, or send the data to your network or local printer. Now we're going to open the wastewater flow site to view data in a format commonly used in wastewater analysis, scatter plots. The Telog Web Module allows you to choose any 2 measurements for the X and Y values in your scatter plot. Simply select 2 measurements along with the desired time span, and then hit OK. As the cursor highlights each data point, the corresponding data is highlighted in the table below, thus expediting the identification of outliers. The VCR-style controls work for scatter plots in the same fashion as for trend data. System-level reports are a great help for maintaining hundreds of RTUs, or even just 2. The time period can be modified if more data are needed. Click a hyperlink to drill down for more information. In this example, we can see every battery measurement taken during the selected time period. Now we are going back to the wastewater flow site. Data from this site is stored in 15-minute increments. To show the same trend data at a different time interval, first select the measurements and time span, then select the desired reporting interval from the drop-down list. You can choose min and max, average, or total for the compression method, then click OK. The database has been queried for hourly data by averaging the 15-minute data points together. We can see the timestamps are now hourly instead of every 15 minutes. Here's one more cursor control feature. After zooming in, right-click and drag your mouse to move the graphical data to the left or right. Clicking the tabs enables you to switch between the open data sets. This has been a brief introduction to the Telog Web Module. For more information, please contact Telog Instruments or your local Telog representative.